What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a super exciting video. Today our Starlink satellite internet finally came in. I don't know why I'm saying finally. It was actually shipped really quick. I ordered it on the 27th of this month, and it got delivered on the 28th of this month. That's right, 1 day delivery. Now, I will say that the shipping tracking numbers and all that stuff that Starlink provided me was crazy inaccurate and wrong. First of all, as soon as it shipped, they sent me an email saying it was shipped, and they gave me the tracking number link. I'm like, all right, great, keep an eye on it. So I clicked the link, and it opens up a DHL website, DHL shipping company, and it says that it's been picked up and delivered already. But it doesn't say to where or what time or anything. It was really weird. Anyway, come to find out, because I jumped on a couple Starlink Facebook groups, that it must be like a glitch in their system, and DHL isn't even the one that ships this. FedEx actually is the one that ships this. So I don't know what happened with that. So that tracking number that you get is utterly useless. And then everybody was saying to go on the app and log into your account and check that way. However, mine was not updating where it was, when it was shipped, when it's supposed to be delivered, or anything like that either, so that didn't help. Anyway, we're going to jump right into this. I'm going to open the box, and we're going to see what we get. Alright, so we opened it up. Let's see what comes in the box. Some fancy plastic lockdown stuff. We got, this is the stand, I guess. Wow, that's heavy duty. I thought it was plastic, honestly. This thing is like a heavy metal, galvanized metal stand. That's nice. Let's see what else. Okay, guessing this is the, wow, the antenna. The dish is so much bigger in person than what it looks like on TV. Wow, that thing is huge. I'd say it's probably 1.5 feet long, maybe a foot wide. I don't know. Wow, that's really nice though. That looks super. It's super like robust and heavy duty. It does not feel chintzy at all. Alright, so I didn't lock it in yet. I just kind of sat it in there for right now. But it's nice because they give you 75 feet of cable. So you got a good amount of cable. That way you can position it anywhere in an open field, or you can run it on top of your RV or your bus or your van, whatever you have. Let's see. This is the only instructions you get. It's right here. It's pretty simple. It's more like just plug and play. So they tell you where to point it. Actually, I think they want you to point it as north as possible. And then you plug it into your, this is the router for inside. It's pretty nice. It's heavy duty too. This, the little Starlink logo on there is nice. And here is your 120 volt power cable. I kind of wish this came with a 12 volt. That would have been nice. Plus it would have been a lot better on power, but that's okay. We can always plug it into an inverter. And this is your instructions, I guess. Yep. Oh, I don't know. Regulatory notices. I don't know what this is. Product description. Who needs that, right? Alright, so now that I got everything out, there is a slot. This is slotted on the pole itself, but down below. So that'll slide right in, and it'll lock into place. And then there is a disconnect button that you have to press if you want to take this pole out. So you press this button in, and then you slide it right out. And this part stays together as one piece. So I'm gonna bring all this stuff outside. I'm gonna put it on top of my RV, and we're gonna set it up and see how she does. All right, guys, I apologize for the wind noise, but I got the satellite up there. While I was inside, it looks like it moved already. So I'm not sure if it found the satellite or whatever, but I just ran the wire down. This is just a soft setup for now, just to see how everything works. And I ran the wire inside. And I have the receiver inside too, so that's there. Now we're gonna go inside. You have to set up everything from the Starlink app. So we're gonna go inside and see how we do that. All right, so we're gonna go over here and open up our Starlink app. Start setup. This is the one we have. This one for RVs. Confirm. All right, showing us how to do everything. We have a location already. We plugged in the Starlink. Okay, our Wi-Fi Let's see. Wi-Fi. So this is weird, and I've seen other people, when you first get it, the satellite name is Stinky, which I think is kind of funny. So we're going to join, and it's not locked right now. We are going to put a password on it. And you could also change your username too, your Wi-Fi name. Alright, so we are connected. I'm going to enter my username and password, and then we should be connected. Alright, so we went ahead and created a Wi-Fi name, and we named it that Nomadic Couple Starlink, naturally. So we're going to go ahead and click on that one. I'm going to enter my password, and then we should be connected. Alright guys, and just like that, we are, or we should be, connected to the internet. Alright guys, it took me a minute to configure everything and get everything all set up, but I officially got it. As you can see, we are online, and we're going to go ahead and do a live speed test right now, and we will see how we are doing. Let's see what kind of results we get. Wow, 130, 132, 133 megabits per second. It's pretty good. 11 megabits upload is pretty decent. Oh, now we're going down. Okay. Alright, 8.5 isn't terrible upload. It's a little quicker than my hotspot. My hotspot goes, I think, about 4 or 5 megabits per second. But it's also $25 a month compared to this, which is $135 a month plus $700 for the, you know, for the hardware and everything. Not too shabby though. So, at the moment, I got me and Sam both connected, plus the tablet, and everything streams really fast. I was able to upload to Facebook and do all that stuff really fast. The true test will be to see how fast I could upload this YouTube video. Plus, some places that we go to, I just don't get cell signal, so if I have a clear view of the northern or southern hemisphere, we should be able to get a signal and still be online and do games and work and do whatever else we need to do. If you guys don't know, this whole system is about 700 bucks, goes for $135 a month for the RV version. There is no wait list currently for this one. You can get this one, like I said, I ordered it on the 26th. It came on the 28th. No, I ordered it on the 27th, I'm sorry, and it came on the 28th, so one day I got it. It was super fast. I can't believe how quick it came. Anyway, so tell me what you guys think, if you guys have it, and that's kind of my feedback on it. So far, so good. I wish the upload was a little quicker, but we'll see as we move around the state, and then when we go out of the state, we'll see how it performs. Like I said, we have 30 days if you don't like it, so you can return it. So depending on the results that you need and that you see, determines whether or not you keep it or you send it back. So it's a pretty easy setup. The app is a little slightly confusing, and these instructions don't really help at all, although it is pretty much plug and play. You pretty much just plug the router into everything, put it either in an open field or on top of your, you know, vehicle or whatever it is, and then the app pretty much does everything for you, kind of walks you through everything, and then the antenna the satellite I should say, just kind of searches for the satellites on its own, and then once it's hooked up to, you know, connected to a satellite, it'll tell you online, and then you are good to go. So yeah guys, that's about it. Just want to let you guys know I'm pretty excited about it. I hope it works out for us. And obviously down the road in other future videos I'll give you guys an update on what I think, if I have any issues, stuff like that. The only issue it's not really an issue, but when I wanted to get in touch with customer service to find out where my Starlink was because of the whole DHL thing, that was 2 days ago, and I still haven't received an email back. So customer service does take quite a while, and apparently there is no phone number, like customer service phone number to call. So that is definitely one downfall. So just something to consider. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions that I can answer, leave them down below and I'll answer them. Otherwise, I'll try to find you guys an answer. So hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.